I just audited my YouTube channel, and what I found, honestly, it really ticked me off. You see, my views, they aren't terrible, but my growth, my money, it's way lower than it should be. So I pulled 90 days of data, and I finally figured out what I'm doing wrong. And if your channel feels stuck right now, well, you're probably doing the exact same thing. Because you see, I thought that I was doing everything right. My thumbnails, they're getting better and they're getting more and more clicks. I am posting more consistently and I'm posting more content weekly than I had been in the past. And my views, they aren't 100% terrible. I set a goal of 100 views in a 24-hour period, and well, I've been hitting that. So I told myself, just stay consistent. Things will get better, but they haven't. I thought my problem was my thumbnails. I thought I just needed to post more. I thought the algorithm wasn't pushing me. So I did what I should have done a long time ago. I went into my YouTube Studio dashboard, into the advanced mode, and I pulled all of my stats. Every piece of data that I could load, I pulled it. And I downloaded it into a Google spreadsheet and I uploaded it into AI. And I told it, give me the hard truth. I need you to analyze all of the data, everything about my channel, and I need for you to tell me exactly what I'm doing wrong. I told it how I need to grow, how much money I'm wanting to make monthly off of my channel, and I asked it to ask me any clarifying questions because I wanted to turn this into a conversation so that I could really understand how I can grow my channel. And well, it gave me exactly what I asked for, and that was the truth. The first thing I realized is my content is just way too scattered. One moment I'm talking about YouTube growth, and then one moment I'm talking about updates, and then just random topics. And even though they are all good videos and they're getting views, the one thing that I'm missing is that I'm not building any type of momentum. The videos that performed best on my channel were all about monetization, growth problems, and real struggles. Well, the problem is, I wasn't doubling down on that. The second thing, and this one, well, it really hurt. My views are not the problem. My conversation is. People are watching, but they're not subscribing. And that means that there is something that is missing between the click and the value. Either I'm not delivering fast enough, or I'm making people feel like there's no need for them to stay. And then this one right here. See, I know that shorts, they don't make a ton of money. And I learned that I'm not properly optimizing my shorts in order to point them into the direction where they are going to make money. And that's my long form content. So I had to totally reevaluate my short strategy. So when I looked at the big picture all together, this is what I realized. My channel is not failing, but it's also not growing either. because I'm spreading my effort instead of focusing on what actually is working. So here's what I'm doing. I'm doubling down, and I'm going to focus on content that I know already works. Monetization, growth problems, real creator struggles. Number 2, I'm fixing my retention. No more slow intros, no more easing into the topic, and I'm getting straight to the point. And number 3, I'm treating this like a business. No more just posting random content. I am only going to be posting things that are going to bring value as well as results. So if your channel feels stuck right now, no more just posting random content. Pull your data. Look at what's actually working and build from that. And in my next video, I am going to be breaking down why YouTube is not pushing your videos, because I thought the exact same thing too. And you're gonna wanna watch that. My name is Tiff. This is My Take. Be blessed, have a blessed day, and most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day.
I move soft, but my impact flame. 5 different combos, crown steady, heart pure gold. Real life, real talk, that's a take. Whole crew live.